Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach on this beautiful day. Wanted to share with you our brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. This is an incredible boat for fishing, for entertaining, and then great overnighters, which I'll show you in a little bit. Have an 11'8" beam on this boat, very solid, 34.5 feet overall length. And on the back, we outfitted this with our triple 400 Mercury Verados, so great supercharged engines to carry this heavy boat. We have our table set up right now. Aft bench seat folds out, and you have a port side seat that folds out, so great entertaining space. Then this goes away, and you have huge cockpit space for fishing with a 40-gallon live well in the back transom. When you catch your fish, you can go right to your Kenyan electric grill and cook the fish up and entertain everybody out of the islands. And then a great reverse-facing seat that will have a foot pad here, and then easily folds up. And then you can reverse this seat when you're underway to have great entertaining space up here, which I'm about to show you. Some more nice features on this boat. We outfitted with a fridge freezer, a cooler with drain here, and then another fridge freezer. So lots of great space for storing all your items for entertaining your guests. As we step up into the helm area, you'll notice we have the filler cushion in here. This will also turn into a table, and so it's a nice entertaining space. You notice great head clearance on here, and then all the isinglass can be covered in here with heat and air in the cockpit. So you'll have separate AC and heat units in the cockpit and in the cabin. Looking at the helm, we have joystick piloting on this boat. Great features on here for autopilot, for a virtual anchor, so you'll hit that button and then your GPS will keep you in the 3-foot radius. And then auto heading, you can just push a button and you'll be underway and can control your degrees very easily by your remote. Also have active engine trim in here, and our two 12-inch Raymarine GPS chart plotters. These are the Axiom series, really easy to use and function. All right, we're going to step down into the cabin and take a look at everything down here. Welcome into the cabin of the 345 Conquest. Tons of space down here. Right now we have a table set up. This table will lower, with the push of a button. These seats will come in together and create a very nice, comfortable V-berth for your guests. And we're going to come around here to the galley. Have another fridge freezer, so that's 3 fridge freezers on the boat. Kenyan electric stovetop, microwave. Great storage space in here, and then a nice size wet head vacuum flush with overboard discharge. So good space down here. Again, headroom is crucial of having some great headroom, and then also great natural light. So you don't have to run your generator all the time. You can have all these windows open and get a great fresh breeze through. Then if you look down in, we have another bed. This will convert into a queen size bed, so very comfortable down below, and sleeps 2 couples very comfortably. And so we have, remember, 2 separate AC heat units and also a hot water heater for you for your shower. So this is a little bit of an overview of our 345 Conquest by Boston Whaler. If you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call, 910-617-3646. And again, my name is Chris Honig, and I hope you all have a great day.